Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my November Costco haul. I will put the prices of everything down in the description section below. So if you're interested in that, you can look down there for the current prices. So I got a box of the Nature's Valley fig bars. These have 20 of the blueberry and 20 of the raspberries. We love these. They're a quick snack for the kids. They're great like on the go breakfast, that kind of thing. So a box of those. A container of chicken stock. It comes with 6 1-quart cartons of it. Some frozen broccoli. This is just an easy side with dinner. It heats up in the microwave really quickly. And I think there's 4 pouches in here. Some of this Stonefire naan. I throw this in the freezer and then take just the pieces out as we're ready to eat them. You cook them in the oven for a few minutes, and we typically will eat them with lentils, or like we'll make little mini pizzas out of them. I needed some new cooking spray. So this is the Chosen Foods 100% pure avocado oil cooking spray. I got a Mediterranean crunch salad kit, again for an easy side. We love this. This is a seasonal item at Costco. I'm pretty sure it's seasonal. I don't think we have it in my Costco the rest of the year. But my boys love this. They are 5 and 8. And we usually, when we're setting up our outdoor Christmas decorations, we have like a charcuterie board and big spread. And so this is something the last couple of years we've had. And so my kids requested this again, and it's the goat cheese and cranberry cinnamon loaf, and we eat it with crackers. So love that, as well as this Boursin cheese, which they have this year round. But we usually open one of these as well for our board. And these also really are good on pasta, like use them in a pasta sauce. So it comes with the garlic and fine herbs, and then the shallot and chive. So that is the cheese. Some red grapes, some of the Famous Dave's original cornbread. There's 4 pouches for cornbread. We make a lot of chili this time of year, and so we love having cornbread with our chili. I needed some olive oil, so I got a new container of olive oil. This is the Ancient Grains probiotic granola. We love this on our yogurt with some berries on top for an easy breakfast. So here is the sweet kale salad mix. This used to come in like one big pouch, but I kind of like that it divided into 2 smaller pouches. That way it's not as wasteful, and it can make like an easy side for a family of 4. The Gala apples, this fully cooked bacon. We love having this on hand just for the convenience of it. We needed some more AA batteries. I probably could have gotten a couple packs of these just to have us stocked up, but I only grabbed 1 because they weren't on sale. And then some Ritz crackers for charcuterie boards, but also my kids sometimes will have homemade Lunchables for their school lunches. I got some Cholula hot sauce. It's a 2-pack, and it was on sale. These bite-sized creamer potatoes for dinners. I usually chop them in half, put some olive oil, salt, and pepper, or actually not pepper, just salt, and then throw them in the oven, and they're delicious. Some cucumbers. I got a roast, so I'm gonna make a pot roast in the crock pot probably on Sunday. Some maple syrup. I also got 2 packages of this Tillamook sliced cheese. I like having it sliced already just for the convenience when I'm making anything. So sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches. I cut these into 4 for the homemade Lunchables. So 2 packages of those. These last for a really long time. I got a 3-pack of this organic ground beef. I got quite a bit of meat this time. Did I show these cucumbers? Love those. Some Italian sausage. It has 4 packs. So I'll cut this up into the 4, throw them in the freezer, and then I use these and like I'll take them out of their casing and cook the sausage for different recipes. Or there's a really good recipe where you put what do you put? The potatoes and green beans with like olive oil and seasoning, and then throw the sausages on top of it and cook it in the crock pot, and it's like easy, mix it up, yummy dinner. I got a 2-pack of the pork tenderloin for pulled pork, and then I'll figure something else out to do, maybe 2 times pulled pork, but throw those in the freezer. And then also some chicken breast. So this is a 6-pack. So I'll break that up and again, freeze them. I got this huge 5 dozen eggs. We usually go through an entire one of these in a month. So we were just about out. I actually had to get a smaller carton at the store last week just to kind of get us through. So we have this, and then sliced turkey breast for lunches, some oat nut bread. That's the kind we use all the time. Some tortilla chips. We'll probably do nachos for dinner one of these nights or maybe a couple times this month. So I grabbed those. Some more of this organic winter blend Starbucks coffee. Love this. Starbucks comes out with a Thanksgiving blend every year. I know I've talked about this in some of my older videos, but it should be coming out like the very first part of November, only at Starbucks stores. So if you love different kinds of coffee, be on the lookout for their Thanksgiving blend. It is our favorite. And unfortunately, they don't sell it in bulk. They just sell it in like the normal size packages. So we usually buy several of those for the holidays, but this is also a really good option from Costco. And then this 50 pouches of the Swiss Miss hot chocolate. Love having this on hand for home, but also whenever we go out like in our camping trailer, it's nice to have packets of those. Makes it really convenient. These Z-bars I needed to restock. We were almost out of those. Some asparagus for dinner. Some green bananas given time to ripen. Some of this butternut squash. This is a great side with dinner. I made a bowl with like quinoa. Was it quinoa or rice? I think I used quinoa. Butternut squash and like sausages. And that was really good the other night for dinner. So it was orzo pasta. That's what it was. Orzo pasta, this, I think some spinach, and if I can find a recipe for it, I'll try to put it in my description below, but it was really delicious and it used butternut squash. So anyway, I got some of this. I'll probably make that again or use this as a side. Some frozen salmon. We love this. It's an easy dinner. This peach jam. So my 5-year-old loves peach jam. He actually discovered it at, I don't know, a couple of years ago. We got this at like a cutesy little cheese shop, and the same brand and everything. And so every time we go back to that cheese shop, like once a year, he likes to get some. So they had this big jar of it. So I thought I would get some of that for him. We'll all eat it, but he'll be excited about it. And then the organic Kirkland peanut butter. We are on our last jar of that. These great tomatoes. Some organic beets. I love eating these just by themselves or like on a salad. And then I got these Cara oranges. So they're the pink inside oranges. Got those. These cute little plush slipper socks. I figured these would make a good Christmas present for a family member. Olive Garden croutons. So we love croutons on our salad, but I also love these on like cottage cheese with some pepperoncinis and then some croutons. Makes for a good like salty snack if I need a little snack with some protein from the cottage cheese. So got those instead of buying just the little packs. This will last for, it says through September. So we'll have that. I got 2 of these heated Berkshire Life blankets, both of them gray. They were $35. And I have 2 people in mind for those for Christmas gifts. These carb balanced tortillas. We always have those on hand. A spring mix of salad. Some 2% milk. We were almost out of ranch, so I got another 2-pack of ranch. They had these plums. So I got a container of plums. My oldest loves plums, and we don't get them very often, so he'll like those. Some more of these Duke's sausages. I really do think just they are the best sausages. They had this M&M pack that was for Christmas, so with the green and red. And I thought I would get this now because we always do a ton of baking around the holidays, and we drive around to friends' houses during the day and like give them plates of goodies that we've made. And so usually the recipes we make call for colored, you know, seasonal M&Ms at different points. And we make kind of different recipes every year, but usually we always end up using M&Ms. So got those. Sliced peaches. The boys love peaches. This sourdough bread, I just throw these in the freezer. They're really good for toast. So 2 loaves of that. And then the Kirkland sweet cream butter. These flautas, it's a 2-pack of flautas. I stocked up on some medicine, so I got the children's Motrin, this children's Dimetap for cold and cough, and then children's Tylenol. And then lastly, I got this Brooklyn Loom 3-piece comforter set. So it comes with a king, it says coverlet. I think it'll go over a like a down blanket. I need to look at it. But anyway, it has that, and then it has 2 pillowcases. It was like $30. So I picked that up for our bed. So that's what I got on this trip to Costco. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around. If you make these videos, let me know down below in the comment section. I love watching Costco hauls just to get ideas for different meals and just see what other Costcos have. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.